If you want Chrome to stop using cached files while you're testing a website, this quick setting can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to disable cache while DevTools is open in Chrome, so you can make sure you're seeing the latest version of your CSS, JavaScript, images, and page content every time you refresh. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Chrome and web development tips. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This feature is especially useful if you're doing web development, testing website updates, checking new files, or trying to avoid old cached content from showing up. Next, open Developer Tools. You can do that by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and I on Windows, or F12 on many keyboards. Once DevTools opens, look at the top of the panel and click the Network tab. The Network panel is where Chrome manages how a page loads, and it also gives you access to caching controls. Now, inside the Network tab, look for the checkbox that says Disable Cache. Go ahead and check that box. Once it's enabled, Chrome will stop using cached files while Developer Tools stays open. That means when you refresh the page, Chrome will request fresh versions of the files instead of loading older saved copies. This is really helpful when you've just changed styles, updated scripts, or published new content and want to confirm the browser is showing the latest version. Now, press Ctrl and R or click the refresh button to reload the web page. You should now see Chrome loading updated CSS files, JavaScript files, images, and other page elements directly from the server. Just remember one very important detail. Cache is only disabled while DevTools remains open. If you close Developer Tools, Chrome will automatically turn caching back on. So if you're still testing, keep DevTools open until you're finished. This is one of those small Chrome features that can make a huge difference during development and troubleshooting. It helps you avoid confusion, saves time, and makes it much easier to verify your changes right away. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.